Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. Lisa Mateo, Paul Sweeney. We are joined right now by Natalia Knijevic. She is going to talk about some of the stocks on the move. So I want to start with, of course, Walmart. We've been talking about it all morning.
Exactly. So Walmart shares are down by 4.3%. The ticker is WMT. Profit missed expectations for the first time in 3 years. However, it wasn't a huge miss. Adjusted EPS was just 6 cents lower than what analysts expected. And the main reason, the company said, was an increase in insurance claims, legal charges, as well as restructuring costs. However, CEO said that charges are expected to moderate later this year. Of course, meanwhile, by the way, Walmart also raised full-year sales guidance. Of course, everyone was looking for any commentary about inflation and prices, and the management said that the impact has been limited so far. Prices rose about 1% in the U.S. during the quarter.
Coty,
another.
I think this, what is this, like makeup and stuff?
Beauty, fragrance.
Yes. Perfume.
You have to invest in your face, guys.
Oh,
You have to invest in your face.
Thank you, Paul.
Exactly, guys. So the ticker for this stock is COTY, and the price, the shares dropped by 21%. I'm checking the size and scope for this. This is the biggest drop since 2020. So we saw that sales fell 9%, the most in 4 years. The company also said that it expects a slowdown in sales to continue. And then in the current quarter, sales across existing business units, it said that will fall between 6 and 8%, but consensus expectations were for about 2.6% decline. So it's a huge miss. Of course, CFO said that, yes, retailers are more focused on inventories right now. Consumers are cutting costs on discretionary items. Bloomberg Intelligence analysts are saying that return to sales and profit growth at Coty is delayed until fiscal second half of 2026. And I have to point out one takeaway. We saw that sales for high-end fragrances that include Gucci or Burberry, they were higher. So just another evidence that low-income consumer are spending less, but high-income consumer are still kind of shopping.
Got to get your Gucci. Okay. CoreWeave, the last one.
The last one, yes. So the ticker for this one is CRWV. Shares are up by 2%. This came after two analysts at Arete Research and HC Wainwright upgraded the stock. They see selling pressure decreasing. They see more opportunities for growth. One of those analysts specifically cited contracts from OpenAI and Google, which could present more opportunities for growth. But keep in mind that last time when the company reported earnings on August 12th, the stock was under pressure because many analysts were concerned about widening loss and disappointing earnings outlook. And there are also many concerns about potential, margin pressure for this company, as it has to spend much more in order to, meet demand from big AI spenders.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.